Welcome to Gemara for Children. Today we are going to begin learning the first piece of Gemara outside. Just like we learned that at the beginning of every Mishnah, aside of the Mishnah at the beginning of a Masechta, or at a Mishnah at the beginning of a Perek, generally written in the Gemara will be 4 letters in bold, Mem, Saf, Nun, Yud, spelling the word Masnisin. So too, after every Mishnah in the Gemara will start with 2 bold letters, Gimel, Mem, and a dash, spelling the word Gemara, showing us that we are about to begin learning a brand new Gemara on this Mishnah. The general structure of every piece of Gemara is that the Gemara will begin analyzing the Mishnah step by step in the order of the Mishnah, going through every scenario and analyzing different details. So our Gemara is going to begin with the Reish of our Mishnah, speaking about the first of the 10 cases. We learned in our Mishnah that if a person finds Peiros Mefuzarin, scattered produce, we learned that the finder is allowed to keep it. So asks the Gemara, first question of the Gemara, and this is also word number 1, Vechama, question mark, which means, and how much? How much produce is needed scattered over what size of land for this produce to now be considered to be scattered? So answers the Gemara, Rabbi Yitzchak says that you need to have 1 kav of produce spanning over an area that's 4 by 4 amos. Let's explain these terms. So word number 2 is kav. Kav is the name of a measurement which is equivalent to around 1.5 quarts, which is also equivalent to approximately 6 cups. So Rabbi Yitzchak says that a person has to have 6 cups worth of produce scattered in an area that's 4 amos. What's an amma? Word number 3. An amma is when you measure in a person's hand from your elbow all the way to the top of the highest finger that you have, which is the middle finger. Which, by the way, is the reason why the middle finger is always referred to as the amma finger, because you need to measure from the elbow up until the top of the middle finger to determine what an amma is. Now, practically, there is a machlokes to how big is this measurement of an amma. So we are going to translate the word amma as 1.5 to 2 feet. So, meaning Rabbi Yitzchak is teaching us that when our Mishnah says that if you find scattered produce, you're allowed to keep it, that's specifically referring to if you find 6 cups worth of produce scattered over an area that's 6 to 8 feet long and wide. And if a person finds that, then they're allowed to keep it.